Hey guys, so you might be wondering why I now have the icons for my motion for my blocks. So motion through my blocks, and you may be wondering why I now have the cap locks and the search sprites, and my editor is now black and messages in editor. Well, it's because that I use Scratch. Well, I wanted to Scratch add-ons, and then just installed them. So I'll be showing you how to make a character go crazy on Scratch. First, go to costumes.
You guys return back from winter break next Monday, right?
And then you just first make the face go like the face go crazy. Next make them with the arms. Do the same thing for that too. Sorry if I put it differently. But for the walk, it will be like this. Oh, yeah. No. If you want another sprite, just go choose a sprite or paint one or upload one. Choose anyone you like. I'll go with Pico. Pico. Make it go crazy too.
What do you say? Mama, did you run the bars?
Yeah, but or if you want to pick 6 or more sprites, that's fine. I'll pick 6 sprites. I'll choose Terra. Okay. Okay. If you want another one, just go to costumes. I'll choose Giga. I got Giga Chad. Lol. Okay. Now enough of the silliness. Whoa, that's a lot. And make the eyelashes longer for Kiko. Okay. Nano. Let's go to Nano. Make it even more crazier. Let's make it go cuckoo. Come on. Now let's go. Whoa. Let's break all walls. Come on. If you want. The skinny elbow ever that was made in 1818. Amogus! Okay. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please sure to like and subscribe for more. Or if you want the code, you can just to go. Cool. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you. Bye.